In this video, we'll show you how to change the side view mirror on your Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change your car's side view mirror, you have to take off the door trim. Using a hook, remove the plastic cover inside the door handle. Then, lift the plastic cover located under the door handle. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, remove the handle retaining bolt. Then, unscrew the two retaining bolts. Using a car trim removal tool, unclip the plastic trim panel from the door panel by prying it out with the tool. Run along all three sides to disengage all clips. You can now unclip the door panel by pulling it towards you and lifting it slightly to release it from the top track. Then remove the door lock pin. Hold the panel so as not to pull on the various cables. You can now unclip the door opening mechanism cable. You can also use pliers to help you. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the plastic tab. You can now remove the inner door panel. If any panel retaining clips remain on the inside of the door, remove them. Install them on the inner door panel. Using a fork, remove the 4 window frame retaining rivets. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Remove the plastic cover. Then, unclip the clips holding the wiring harness. Disconnect the other 2 connectors by pressing on the retaining tabs. You can also use a hook. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 retaining bolts from the side view mirror. Then, unscrew the 2 retaining nuts from the side view mirror. Take off the side view mirror. You can also use a car trim removal tool to help you. You can order the side view mirror used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new side view mirror. Remove the rubber protectors. Insert the side view mirror into its housing. Remember to thread the power cable through the hole provided for it. The locating piece allows you to put it back in correctly. screw the nuts back on by hand at first. Next, screw the 2 retaining bolts back in. Finish off tightening with a ratchet. Reconnect the power connectors. Then reattach the clips. Put the plastic cover back onto the window frame. Then put the rivets back in place. Bring the inner door panel closer. Reconnect the power to the electric window and side mirror controls. Put the door opening mechanism cable back in place. Don't forget to pass the door lock latch through the trim. You can now put the door panel back in place, inserting it into the top track first. Press the entire door panel against the door to lock all the clips. Screw the bolt inside the door handle back. Replace the plastic cover. Then screw the retaining bolts back in. Replace the plastic cover. Operation complete.